JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link VIGI C230i 3MP IR Dome Network Camera. Unboxing and installation. (3MP Super High Definition). The VIGI C230i camera comes with 3MP, more than enough pixels to pick up some of the more discreet details, with vandal-resistant, rugged housing and waterproof design. This VIGI dome camera is built tough to withstand vandalism and harsh environments with rain and dust for constant security anywhere and anytime. Package contents: installation guide, screws and waterproof cable attachments, mounting template, VIGI C230i unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.